Hey space fans, big cosmic news today. The European Space Agency, that's ESA, is sounding the alarm about NASA's proposed budget cuts. And let me tell you, this isn't just about less money for rockets. It could seriously shake up the future of space exploration for everybody. So, what's actually going on? Well, NASA's budget has always been a bit of a political football in Congress, but this year, the proposals are looking especially tough. We're talking cuts that hit missions, technology upgrades, and the international partnerships that make those cool joint missions possible. When NASA catches a cold, ESA starts sneezing too, because space, my friends, is a team sport. Now, ESA isn't just sitting back watching the drama. They've launched their own studies to figure out what these cuts mean for some of the biggest projects on their books. Think about Artemis. That's the mission to get humans back on the moon, or the next major Mars rover. These are huge, expensive undertakings, and both agencies usually share the load. If NASA has to trim down, ESA faces a tough question. Do they fill the gap, scale back, or hit pause on their ambitions too? Let's take Artemis as an example. ESA is building vital components for the lunar gateway and supplying tech for the mission. But without NASA's full support, the timeline could slip. Delays, cost overruns, or even cancelled launches start to look a lot more likely. And Mars? Same deal, it's all about collaboration. No single agency can do it alone anymore. So, what's at stake if these cuts really go through? Well, first we're looking at delayed moon landings. That's not just a headline. It means fewer scientific discoveries, slower progress on climate satellites, and a real risk of falling behind in planetary defense. The domino effect is real. Less funding for NASA could mean less ambition for ESA, and that ripples out across the world's space community. But it's not all doom and gloom. ESA is working hard to figure out new strategies. They're likely to push for even stronger global cooperation, maybe bringing in new partners or finding creative ways to keep projects flying. For the rest of us, it's a reminder that space science needs our attention and our support. If you want to stay up to date on how these space dramas play out and what they mean for our future among the stars, hit subscribe, ring that bell, and join the discussion below. Do you think NASA's cuts will slow us down? Or is ESA ready to step up? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for tuning in and keep looking up.